Some common flooring options to create a dust-free flooring are epoxy, PU, and Odus. Before checking which one is best, let's first understand, how does dust get generated from concrete floors? When the topmost layer of concrete is scratched, it gets broken into small pieces, which we see as dust. Even concrete floors can get broken at a micro level when exposed to heavy factory machines like forklifts. Why does this happen? Because the hardness of concrete is less than the hardness of forklifts. Let's explore how different flooring options help block dust. First, let's look at epoxy and PU coatings. These coatings create a layer on top of the base concrete. Think of it as a mat placed over your concrete floor. While the base concrete may still emit dust, the coating on top acts as a barrier. And now let's see how Odus create dust-free environment. Odus, on the other hand, gets absorbed inside concrete and increases the strength of its topmost layer. So when factory elements scratch the concrete floor, they can't break it anymore. And if no concrete is broken, no dust comes out. All three options, epoxy, PU, and Odus, are effective in creating a dust-free environment. While epoxy and PU create a barrier for dust coming from the floor, Odus completely stops dust emission. Hope this was helpful. For more information on industrial maintenance, visit our website, reservate.com. And if you need any help with floor maintenance in factories or warehouses, call us on our toll-free number 1-800-8900489.